Hey snipers, most of you have been asking me what tools that I use on a regular basis for my day trading. I'm going to talk about 5 trading tools that have helped me make better decisions in the market using them and have helped me become a profitable trader making 6 figures annually. Make sure you stay till the end of the video because the last one will absolutely shock you. Also, like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I put out more content to help you out trading. The first tool that I want to talk about is Thinkorswim. It is one of the most important tools that I use on a day-to-day basis to be a profitable trader. I understand most of you have been asking me for my Thinkorswim tutorial as to how I set things up, etc., which I will be going in the future videos, but for now, this is what all I track on my Thinkorswim screen. Firstly, I track the market internals using the tick, the cumulative tick, and the vol D. These metrics kind of give me a holistic overview about what the market is doing in general. I also have a nice watch list where I have all the stocks listed out that I generally trade. This is also where I track all the premiums on the stocks as well. You can keep an eye out for these premiums on these particular options for these particular stocks that I generally trade by adding them to the watch list like this. I don't generally have a lot of stocks that I trade on a day-to-day basis, so my trade setup is quite simple. It only consists of VIX, SPY, QQQ, and 3 or 4 stocks that I'm generally trading on that particular day based off the pre-market notes. The second best tool I would really love traders to use is our Sniper Trades Discord. Our Discord was basically built by traders for traders, and so we kind of know what every trader wants on a day-to-day basis, like when they are specifically doing options trading or day-to-day trading in general. To talk about some of the features that we have in our Discord, there is something called a pre-market notes where it gives you an outline as to what trades that I am looking as a lead trader and also give you a little bit of a background as to what to expect on that particular day with certain stocks and what and where to trade. Also, whenever I take a position, I always post out that there is something that I have bought and how many contracts that I have bought and how I'm going to manage that position. So the buy and sell alert both are being posted out. For more professional and active traders that are trading full-time, commentary on market is given throughout the day for them to make informed decisions and navigate the market in style. We understand trading can be a lonely game. So we have a traders lounge where traders are actively participating in conversing with each other, sharing charts, sharing ideas, and navigating the market as well. The next very important tool that I use is called Finviz. Finviz.com is the website that you can go to and see for yourself. So here basically I use this heat map where it kind of shows me every sector with different stocks that every sector owns and if they are green, red, and it kind of gives me a better overview as to what sectors are moving in a particular day and what sectors are lagging. And based on that, I try to check the flow and see which sector is having more momentum to the upside or downside based on the market's movement. And then based on the flow, I try to enter into trades. So many of you ask me what trading tool that I use for monitoring the flow. Here comes the 4th trading tool that you want to use here for your flow, which is called Tradytics. There are a few tools that I use in this particular application to monitor the flow. The first one is the GEX. This is an amazing tool that I use on a day-to-day basis, especially for 0-day SPX plays. The live flow is another tool that I use in this application where I use to figure out what the whales are trading and if I can take a position based off the technical analysis on the chart. In the future videos, I will go over specifics around what filters to use and how to figure out where the whales are being positioned on the flow and how to figure the flow in general. Last but not the least, the most powerful tool during trading is journaling. You can do this journal by simply using a Google Sheets or an Excel sheet and then going over those trades on a day-to-day basis, what went right, what went wrong, and that will help you a lot in the long run. Those are the 5 trading tools that I use on a regular basis for my trading. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have a tool of preference that you want me to go over in detail. If you want real-time updates about the market and market commentary, do subscribe to us at snipertrades.org. For more education content, subscribe to our channel.